How to set up Instagram shop step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking in great detail and depth about how you are going to be creating an Instagram shop for yourself in the easiest way. Now there's two ways to do this. You can either do this directly through your Instagram, or you can do this through your Facebook. Now, I'm going to share both ways, and both the ways are really easy and it's really fun to set up your Instagram shop. So please do follow me through this journey where we create an Instagram shop for ourselves. So, to start things off, what we're going to be doing is you're going to go in your Instagram settings. Okay, you're going to come over to settings over here for your Instagram. And once you go over here, you're going to go into your Meta account center. Now, once you go into your account center, you're going to want to make sure that your account is a professional account and all. And once you have seen that it's a professional account, you are going to go ahead. You're going to activate all the Meta technologies and all the Meta workings that go on Meta. And once we do that, what you're going to do from here, the only part that you're going to need to do on Instagram, now you're going to go over to your Facebook, okay? Because in both these methods that I'm going to show you, Facebook comes to use nonetheless. Like you have to use Facebook at some point. So you're going to come to use Facebook. And once you're in Facebook, basically over here, first of all, you're going to make a professional Facebook account. Now, if you have made a professional Facebook account for yourself, what you're going to do from there is after making a professional account, you're going to go ahead on the left hand side where it says Meta Business Suite. But before that, you are going to make a page. Okay, you're going to make a page on your professional account. So we're going to go in pages. Once you go in pages, you're obviously going to create pages for your account. And as you can see, I've created 3 pages over here, right? Now, once you create these pages, this obviously sets a constitute, like let's say I have this page over here. Okay, so you can actually go to this page and you can manage this page. Okay, you can use this page for different methods. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on use this page, and look at this. You can use these pages for different methods and all that. So you can also get different insights of it, create ads, ad center, professional dashboard. But after creating the page, we're going to go to Meta Business Suite. This option that you can see over here, we're going to click on that, and that takes us over here. Now, once you head over to the Meta Business Suite, it brings you here. Now, I already have my account connected, but let me show you how you're going to connect yours. Obviously, right now you made a Facebook account. Okay, you made a Facebook account that has your basic necessities, right? Now, for your Instagram, what we're going to do, I'm going to show you. So, first of all, you're going to scroll down here where it says All Tools, and you're going to open up All Tools. Now, once you open up All Tools, what you're going to do is here, you get a lot of things. You get advertisements, analytics and reports, paid settings, collaborations, etc., etc. Now, to connect your Instagram, what you're going to do is you're just going to type in Instagram. And once you type in Instagram, firstly, you're going to go ahead and choose the data sources that you are going to connect onto your Meta business. So for that directly, you're going to go into your settings. And once you go into your settings, as you can see, I have opened them over here. You're going to go in accounts. Once you go in accounts, you're going to click on Instagram accounts over here. And once you click on Instagram account, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're obviously going to go ahead, connect your Instagram account to this. Now, I have already connected mine, add Instagram accounts, login, and there you have it. Obviously, it says login needed, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to log in with my Instagram account. Now, once you do that, you're going to allow it with all the conditions that are possible, because obviously there's no issue with the trusting the Meta Business Suite. They don't, like, there's nothing shady going on because it's Meta, okay? They can't steal your account because they made your account, basically. So once you log in with your account and once everything is set up and your Instagram shop is set up, what you're going to do from here is you're going to go back to All Tools. And once you're back to All Tools, from here, you can obviously start selling products and services for yourself. Now, how are you going to sell products and services? Obviously, just come over to home, go over to all tools, come down here, and it's going to give you this sell products, etc., etc. So, how will you sell products? Okay, what option do you want to choose? So, you are going to go ahead and choose the commerce option, which will redirect you to the commerce manager. Okay, this is going to be the Facebook business commerce manager, the exact manager that we're going to use to start on Instagram. Okay, so sell on Facebook, Instagram, or both. I'm going to click on get started, and here it asks me to do something. So I'm going to create a shop where we can add physical products to sell, tag and advertise from a custom shop on Facebook and Instagram. So if you're new to selling and you want to try their new inventory and order management tools, you will be able to create a test shop for yourself. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to click on get started. Now, once you click on get started, it takes you into the onboarding process. Now, if it gives you an issue that shop aren't available for your region, you can choose a VPN, and by using a VPN, that should fix everything for you. But yeah, after you create your shop from there, what's going to happen is it's going to ask you a few questions. It's going to ask you to choose checkout methods, choose your billing and shipping. You're going to create an actual business account if you don't have one. And once you do that, you're going to finish everything, connect everything. And from there on out, you have a proper Instagram shop assigned to yourself. Okay. And you can obviously control that Instagram shop from your Meta Business Suite, because on your Meta Business Suite, you can also start creating campaigns for your shop. So let's say if I were to write campaign over here, okay, in campaign, you can create collaborative ad campaigns by going on Collaboration Center, or you can actually go into the ads manager that you can use to actually make different campaigns for your shop, or maybe for your social media account. That depends on the type of working you want to go with. Now, I'm going to go into the ads manager to talk in more detail about the campaigns. So this loads up my ads manager for my Instagram account, and you can actually start creating different ads and ad campaigns. And obviously, you can associate these with your store or your shop, essentially, in this case. So basically, yeah, adding these details into your store will create an Instagram shop. So just follow all the steps that I've showed you, and trust me, everything is going to be absolutely out of this world when you are actually adding this to your store. So basically, that is how you're going to set up Instagram shop for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way possible. Now, if you want to watch more videos like this where I walk you through a whole detail on how you are going to set up different Meta Business Centers, Meta Business Suites, and all, then please do drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I will make more for you. Till then, that is all from me. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you wonderful people next time. Goodbye.